Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and make money online programs, but today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new dining table. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and actually check it out. Alright, so as we're putting this together, one thing I do want to mention, the pieces do have some weight to them, but in a good way. It doesn't feel flimsy or hollow. The tabletop especially has some weight to it. You're not dealing with one of those super thin panels that flex when you pick it up. This did come in 2 boxes, just so you know. The table itself is just over 70 inches long, so it's definitely more of a full-size dining table, not something small. You can already tell it's meant to see a good amount of people once it's done. Something worth mentioning is the storage built in on both ends. These aren't just decorative legs, they're actually hollow with shelves inside, which is kind of nice if you hate clutter on the table. You can throw placemats, napkins, extra dishes, whatever you want in there, and keep the tabletop clean. The tabletop thickness is close to 2 inches, which you don't notice until you're handling it. It feels solid, not cheap, and that finish has that wood grain look without being glossy or slippery. More of a matte finish, which I prefer because it doesn't show fingerprints as much. The frame underneath is steel, so once everything is bolted together, it's designed to handle some weight. This table is rated to hold up to 400 pounds, which is good to know if you're loading it up with food, decorations, or people leaning on it during gatherings. Now that it's fully put together, this thing looks clean. The length really stands out in person. It's comfortable, fits up to 6 people, and you can easily push it up to 8 or 10 depending on the chairs you use. What I like is how stable it feels. There's no wobble when you push on it. The steel frame underneath really helped. The storage on both ends is actually deeper than I expected. You can see one side for everyday stuff like placemats and chargers, and the other side for things you only pull out for when guests are over. It keeps the table from looking cluttered without needing a separate cabinet. The height is standard for dining height, so chairs slide in easily, and it works just as well for eating as it does for working, homework, or even using it as a big prep table if you cook a lot. Surface-wise, it's easy to wipe down. It's scratch resistant, so you're not stressing every time someone drags a plate or sets something down without a coaster. Overall, it feels like one of those tables you buy once and you don't think about it again. It's solid, holds weight, it sits a lot of people, and the built-in storage is actually useful instead of just being there for looks. If you need a table that can handle everyday use and hosting without feeling delicate, this is definitely the one that checks all those boxes. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new dining table, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.